Iroyin Agbedegbeyo. Alright, so country people now good morning now na day. Hope say they go, hope say body they can pay. Anyway, in a stand up something and like put to this kolele Tuesday morning. I greet you, I salute you now. Of course, so this one Iroyin Agbedegbeyo where they come out from your Bunga radio station. This one a Pep Radio where we turn but for felele inside the OYO state. Now here we they try our possible best to make una the sound informative where they take shell for Obodo Niger and for Obodo Oyinbo. Alright, so before we sharply go inside the spirit of the news, so you know, say as Pomo take a pass letter, and as money take a pass paper, and as Android take a pass balasa, and so go take and triumph all over our enemies. My name na Adedoyinsola Peterson, and a different kind to read. Now you don't boku in front of me on top of Iroyin Agbedegbeyo this morning. I go inside the Punchy and I go inside the Vanguard. In fact, the self Tribune, it my hand. They make una just relaxing with the summer na dey informative. Wella. Alright, so inside the Nigerian Tribune, I don't say the story where they come out from inside the Abuja, will be seen to be the capital territory of Nigeria. And the Minister of State for Education, Mr. Chukwuemeka Unwajuba Babadoyan Matase, on top the reopening of schools, of private schools, Minister of State for Education, Mr. Chukwuemeka Matase, private schools will then get writing, made them charge fees for any student we go attend their own school. What is the reason why this minister why he and this matter? I beg you make una just relax. We go somehow on the terrain. Wella for here. I see the inside the Nigerian Tribune on top of COVID-19 palava, on top of COVID-19 begeo. Now I make the Jigawa State Governor Alhaji Muhammadu Badaru Abubakar. Now he don't open 40 schools only, and he can ask all the civil servant to make them resume back to work. And also go 1 year the terrain. I beg you make una just relax. We go somehow on the terrain. Wella for here. On top of the matter, now I go sharply inside the Punchy. Now the story we are say for inside the Edo, where the candidate of the All Progressive Congress for the governorship election where they do for September 19. Osagie Inze Inyamo. Now I don't matter say in go find solution to every togri where we say ide inside the Edo State. Alright, so another story we be saying no sweet my belly at all it is sad. Now inside the Punchy, 9 point this one to me when we say one punch back to you. Now for Somalia, this one take shell. The Tory tell me say now 2 people now you don't buy for Somalian restaurant we be say then through away bombo go the restaurant. Alright, so another story again where I say on top of infidelity, they cheat on me, you know they cheat on me. Now he making one woman away and stab her own lover to death. What it means say this woman buy her own lover on top say in the treaty on top inside the Punchy as the Tandapu to Ondo Deputy Governor now he done ready say he go resigning inside the PDP. Which party they go to? When you want take a leave, you go away from inside the PDP. And also go on here the Tory, make una just relax. So me go somehow on the Tory. Wella for you. Alright, so inside the Punch again, I make a Tandapu to inside the Imo State. Now police when I don't arrest the one pastor because say in kidnap for inside the Imo community. And also go on here the Tory, make una just relax so me go somehow on the Tory. Wella for you. Alright, finally on top the headlines of all the Tory we I get for you on top Iroyin Agbedegbeyo na here say for inside the Tribune when they tell me about the coronavirus update for inside the Niger. For Niger now we don't get a total confirmed case of coronavirus now 44,129. Why we say the discharged people now 20,600 663. And the debt wey we get for inside the obodo Naija, na it don raise it to 862 debt na we don get inside the obodo Naija. For which state the coronavirus dey, for which state wey coronavirus no dey, everything wey concern the tori, abeg make una just chillax so me go sama una the tori wella for here. As I don give you all the headlines of all the tori, na here I go sharply go upper room and get to one or two things wey be say I wan make una listen to. Iroyin Agbedegbeyo is still dey continue.
Olóyọ̀ kí ló tó ń fi ariwo dí àwọn èèyàn létí látàárọ̀. Ṣebí mo yọ ayè sílẹ̀ fún ìtúsílẹ̀ wa náà ni. Káńsì ọmọlé gan-an. Ṣebí ìjọba àti COVID-19 náà ni. Ẹ wò ní báyìí kò sọ́gun mọ́kànsán tẹ́mọ̀ bí orin eléré kámọ́ ti yáyà ló kù. Níbo ló ń tú yáyà lọ? Ìjọba ò ní ká máa rìnrìn àrè káàkiri o. Ká máa wà ní ìmọ́tótó gbogbo ìgbà. Ká máa fi ọṣẹ fọwọ́ wa nígbà gbogbo. Ká máa lo ìbòmú àti ìbọ̀wọ́ lóòrèkóòrè. Ká ṣọ́ra fún àbọ̀ rẹ̀ ní lọ́wọ́ tàbí à ń dì mọ́ra ẹni. Ká sì jìnnà síbi táwọn ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn bá wà. Tí a bá ti wá ń rí àwọn àpẹẹrẹ bí òtútù àyà, ikọ́ gbígbẹ, ẹni tí wúkọ́ lábàdí tàbí ẹni tí ń sin léraléra, ẹ jẹ́ ká tètè kàn sí àwọn elétò ìlera lọ́gán. Àjàkálẹ̀ àrùn ò ní fi ilé wa ṣe bùgbé. Pep FM rédíò ló ké tán pé stay safe.
Ọ̀gá nìkan láwùjọ òkúta, kìnìún lọ́ba láwùjọ ẹranko, ògòǹgò lọ́ba láwùjọ ẹyẹ. Ọ̀gá ní Pep FM rédíò nínú kásẹ̀tò kó mú yányán. Ẹ̀yin onílé iṣẹ́ ńláńlá, olókòwò kéréje, ẹgbẹ́ polówó ọjà yín wa kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìta wàràwàrà o. Ọlọ́yọ̀ ló ní ẹ̀ máa ń gbọ́, ẹ dákun ẹ dàbọ̀ ẹ mọ́ yín kúrò ń bẹ̀ o.
Òkè téńté làwà lórí tábìlì, ọ̀gá lọ́ọ̀kì láwùjọ ẹyẹ, ọ̀gá nìkan láwùjọ òkúta, ọ̀gá làwà láwùjọ agbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́, ìgbádùn yìí la wà fún, má ṣe gbé kúrò. Fílẹ̀! Òkè téńté làwà lórí tábìlì, ọ̀gá lọ́ọ̀kì láwùjọ ẹyẹ, ọ̀gá nìkan láwùjọ òkúta, ọ̀gá làwà láwùjọ agbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́, ìgbádùn yìí la wà fún, má ṣe gbé kúrò. Fílẹ̀!
Iléeṣẹ́ tẹlifíṣàn kan ń bẹ o, ìyẹn nílùú Ìbàdàn, Pep TV lórúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ o, ó lẹ́nu kó táwọn yọ. Iléeṣẹ́ tẹlifíṣàn kan ń bẹ o, ìyẹn nílùú Ìbàdàn, Pep TV lórúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ o, ó lẹ́nu kó táwọn yọ. Èmi ò máa ríru rẹ̀ láyé ń bí o, àwọn ètò lóríṣiríṣi tí kò lẹ́jà bákan nínú o, polówó ọjà kájé búgbàjẹ́, àwọn ìròyìn káàkiri àgbáyé gbogbo ẹ̀ lè máa rí wo ní Pep TV. Pep TV òun ṣàníkà gbádé fún o, Agbedegbeyo ó táwọn yọ. Iléeṣẹ́ tẹlifíṣàn kan ń bẹ o, ìyẹn nílùú Ìbàdàn, Pep TV lórúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ o, ó lẹ́nu ó táwọn yọ. Iléeṣẹ́ tẹlifíṣàn kan ń bẹ o, ìyẹn nílùú Ìbàdàn, Pep TV lórúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ o, ó lẹ́nu ó táwọn yọ.
Tá a bá ń sọ nípa iléeṣẹ́ amóhùnmáwòrán táyé ń gbà fún lọ́wọ́ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà, Pep TV wà fún kíkásílẹ̀ àwọn ètò yín fún ìrántí ọjọ́ iwájú bíi ìdíje onílé-jilé, ayẹyẹ òpin ọdún fún àwọn ọmọ iléèwé, ètò ẹ̀sìn lóríṣiríṣi, àpèjọ orin kíkọ, ẹ sì tún lè pè wọ́n síbi ìgbéyàwó, ìkọ́mọjáde, ilé ṣíṣí, ayẹyẹ ọjọ́ ìbí, ìfilọ́lẹ̀, ìwọ́de àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ẹ lè pè wọ́n sórí àwọn ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí 080-656-14289 tàbí 070-865-33935 tàbí 070-515-35081. Ẹ kàn sí wọn ní plot 72 Akórèdé layout Fẹ́lẹ́lẹ̀ straight end Ìbàdàn. Iléeṣẹ́ amóhùnmáwòrán àkọ́kọ́ tí ń kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, Pep TV, ìlanilọ́yẹ̀ mùtúmùwà láfojúsùn wa.
Pep rédíò, ìkànnì rédíò tó wà lórí ayélujára. Ẹ máa gbọ́ wa ìròyìn, ẹ̀fẹ̀, àṣà, kápolówó ọjà kájí ògùgbàjẹ́. Àwa náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ni, má gbé kó ń bẹ̀. Fílẹ̀.
Kọ́kìlá wà ní sẹ́yìn àgbàdì lọ́la.
Iroyin Agbedegbeyo. All right, to country people now, welcome back here. We thank you, say you still there with us. Say, all right, Iroyin Agbedegbeyo is they continue, and now here I go the summer now all the headlines here for the Tory where I don't yano to your listening pleasure. All right, to sharply make I go inside the Tory. Now for inside the Nigerian Tribune, where I see the story they come out from inside the Abuja. Abuja will be saying I be the capital territory of Nigeria. Now the young matter for you, the Minister of State for Education, Mr. Chukwuemeka Onwajuba. Baba don't talk say private schools will get all the right to make them charge fees. Make we carry go for inside the Tory. Now the Minister of State for Education, Mr. Chukwuemeka Onwajuba, Adedoyin matter say every private school owners will be saying that the principal or the headmaster of any private school owners then they entitled make them charge fees for the third term as school don't start resuming on top of the COVID-19 palava. Now Onwajuba na he don't yarn this matter for this media briefing where they do on top of Presidential Task Force PTF on top of coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic for yesterday Monday for inside the Abuja. Obatoko said the reason why he yarn this matter be say he don't they see different kind post online where parents they talk say for this third term where schools won't resume. Shall we go pay fee? We no go pay. Obatoko say well, for this third term session, we know say it goes short, but as long as this third term session is short too, now so then go collect money for them. In one Juba, see the young matter they go. They talk to say every private school owners then they run a business venture, no be charity organization, now business venture, then they run. About talk to say if now want free education, now for public school go see that kind of thing, but for private organization, now business venture, no be say now charity. Bring your picking, we go teach them for free. About talk to say at all, that one no be that too. I talk to say for everything way they see online, where they talk say this third time it's too short, they go collect money. In fact, if now only 2 weeks this is picking or this is small shadow, then go use carry body write their exam, then go still pay for that 2 weeks. So every rumor we now they see online say they no go pay money for third time. About talk say make una debunk all the news say every private school organization, every private school owners then go collect money for any session. We say the third time section where they inside all the school for inside the Open Nigeria. In one job as the young matter they go, he talk to say he appreciate every private school because say no be small job. All these people where they do so they no get the help for government in they stand on their own. One person can talk say he no go pay money at all then go pay money for anything where they want to do. On one Juba can finalize the matter say now our examination now go start for 17th of August where they go run till about the middle of September. But I say immediately they finish that one and an table in fact now go start it for now it go start immediately and they go run on table till about the October. Here matter say for NECO examination I go start for October 10 while other things in go the run we be saying a NAPTEP go run through November. About to say he expect every student where they go school for this period make them dear lot whether make them work, make them learn any opportunity where they get it, make them use and learn because say as school don't resume then they expect a different kind thing for all these students. You can finalize the matter say on top the resumption of schools we don't know say school go reopen for Monday, August 3. But it be like different kind of people. They no put to play for this deepest alacrity. We be say everybody for the state don't tell their students made them resume for Monday, August 3. But the core of the matter we are see for inside the Nigerian Tribune. Now I tell me say the Minister of State for Education, Mr. Chukwuemeka Onwajuba. Now I don't talk to say the private school owners then get right to make them charge fees. If I want to collect the balance, we're gonna go inside the Nigerian Tribune. Alright, so now inside the punch where I don't turn that put to waiting the shell for inside the punchy. But now Somalia where I don't carry body where I don't turn that put to just story to Saturday. But it tell me say now two people now you don't buy for Somalia restaurant blasty. Waiting the shell for them we go inside the spirit of the news say. I be like saying now two people now you don't buy why one person don't they wounded for Monday we be say they suspect to say now suicide bomb now he entered restaurant wait and that for Somalia's capital Mogadishu. Now they and the matter now the police and witnesses away they the place Mayan matter say be like say this a blasting and you call for the entrance of this restaurant where the security guard the way there for the entrance he suspect to say the next customer where they come inside this a customer he gets a bomb for inside the bag you carry but but this is security guard every power will be say he won't you stop this customer he no agree at all but the next thing where they say this a restaurant now he don't blast so we say the bomb now he don't work for there as he don't blast like this now he make it two people now he don't buy instantly why one person why he injure why he gain several injury for him body when Abudu Kadai Mohammedi we be saying at the witness he talk to say the only thing if we talk about this blast we share for Somalia restaurants we say in see two people two dead body for floor while one person either suffer in pain but na sharply then rush just one person go na rest hospital this witness yan matter say now this restaurant na e dey close to Mogadishu port wey be say in dey popular say security officers and government officials wey dey work with them dey near this restaurant so e dey funny to am say for this kind restaurant they see for this kind restaurant they see different kind bomb blasting for the restaurant. It talk to say well as this matter as not sure now so the police for the country now they sharply rescue people we say they fee rescue. Alright so now the punch now time say now two people don't buy for Somalian restaurant blast. If now want collect the balance make una carry go inside the punch. Alright, so now inside the Edo State here, don't turn that put to again, and the candidate of the All Progressive Congress for Edo State governorship election for September 19, Osagi is a Yamo, Nayan Matase, he go find solution to the Togri with the inside the Edo State. Candidate of the APC for September 19 governorship election for Edo State, Ozagi is a Yamo. Now you don't assure all the voters will be say then vote for him for your own administration. If vow and promise them say anything where they call you Togri for inside the state, he go stop sharply. About to say I know say go they ask me why I am this matter. The reason why I am this matter because I notice say for inside the Edo State, they too plenty. Waiting I mean be that waiting I mean be say na tog we be say they be you to they to tanda inside the Edo State. Ozagi is a yamo. It talk say Ingo reduce the toggery and inside the state because Ingo provide the jobs and different kind skills and rehabilitations for young people we get skills what we say they won't use them learn. But talk say now unemployment now they make all the youth wait and for inside the Edo State then they go inside the toggery. Is a Inyamo why they give this assurance while they receive the People's Democratic Party defectors from the Ovia Northeast local government area of the state. Babatako said the problem of Togri they feel solve that one na small thing for 100% na 10% with Togri with the stop for inside the Edo State. Babatako saying go stop with adequate rehabilitation and provision of legitimate jobs and engagement. Babatako say he no support the Togri at all and he no want to make this a Togri make they oppress the people with under inside the Edo State. Babatako say well for inside the Edo State now only government officials now you don't wear uniforms now they go permit make them collect taxes where they go vow into their office but Ozagi in Yamon he promises say he go look for job for the thugs with the he go look for jobs for this thug for inside the motor parks and inside the different kind market. But what I could say if we solve this problem one after the other before we know it anything they call it thuggery he go vanish away inside the Edo State. The matter we are see the story we are see for inside the punch Punch. Now, anytime say the candidate of the All Progressive Congress for the September 19th governorship election for Edo State, Ozagi Eze Inyamo. Now, he don't talk say, he go find solution to toggery inside the Edo State. If I won't carry the balance, we gonna go inside the Punch. Alright, so now still Iroyin Agbedegbeyo na they enjoy on top of your Google radio station. Or this one na Pep Radio. Who we turn that gidiba for felele inside the OYO state. I see the carry go for inside the terrain. Now inside the Punch we I don't turn that put away again. But inside the Ondo, now I won't take this matter come. Now the Ondo State Deputy Governor Mr. Agbola Ajayi about don't say to say Ingo resigning. Go away for inside the PDP. Ondo State Deputy Governor Mr. Agbola Ajayi now yard matter say Ingo resign his membership for inside the People's Democratic Party this week. Ajayi now the Deputy Governor now on the yarn this matter. About to say he be like say Ingo join the ruling All Progressive Congress. Now Baba to say now earlier. Now he resigned from the ruling of Progressive Congress for June. Why we say in they defeated for PDP and now so the matter in the carry they go. But I could say for this week he be like say I go one leave PDP. According to one reliable source we confirmed to correspondent of news for Monday. He talk say now Ajayi now he will be the first to sign his membership of PDP. But I talk say as he don't leave with PDP, he be like say now ZLP Baba one join the go. This is source na reliable source. Now see the yarn the matter. Now the yarn the matter they go. It they talk with different kind anonymity. He yarn matter say, but why Baba go resign from PDP? He go join his ZLP. But it be like say this thing where Baba want to. Baba no think am. Wella. The story it too long like textbook. But the cocoa of the cocoa and the matter now he tell me say Ondo Deputy Governor now he don't settle make him resign from PDP. Alright, so inside the Nigerian Tribune, now I don't turn that for inside the Jigawa State. Now the Jigawa State government now he don't open 40 schools only. He can ask all the civil servants to make them resume back to work. Now the Jigawa State governor Alhaji Mohammed Obadaru Abubakar now he don't limit the number of schools where then go open across the state for the SS3 students. Baba don't reduce them to 40 schools only. Baba will they make this disclosure while they speak to the newsmen for the federal government directive for schools or opening for Tuesday 4th of August 2020. Baba Yan Mata say now 10 senior secondary schools in they go open across the state. May they use and contain the protocols and guidelines of COVID-19. Baba talk say another 10 junior secondary and primary school level then go open. Baba talk say then go allow 10 private schools may them open. I talk say all together now 40 schools now they go allow may them open. I talk say he can direct Commissioner for Health and Education made them work together. Made them use and ensure the strict compliance with the federal government guidelines on top of COVID-19 balava. Now the governor now he done order all civil servants to say abegi as I don't tell you say make una open only 40 schools for inside the Jigawa. Make all of una make una resume work today we be saying na 4th of August the year 2020. Baba Yan Mata say for the past 16 days the state never recorded any single case and the only case where the admission now they don't test negative we say they don't discharge. I also say so if we don't get the active case for inside the state it be like say we are open make we remain so better for the future. Baba when they beg all the schools will be say then they part of the 40 schools will go reason for Jigawa say make them comply with all the COVID-19 preventive protocols. Alright, inside the Jigawa, now he tell me say the Jigawa State Governor Alhaji Muhammad Badaro Abubakar na Idoya matter say make them open only 40 schools. He don't ask all the civil servants to make them resume back normal. Alright, so inside the Nigerian Tribune, we are still there, waiting the shell for there. On top of COVID-19, Palava, na be COVID-19 updated. Now, tell me say NDDC now don't confirm 288 new cases. We be say the total now don't rise it to about 44,129. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control (NCDC) now don't confirm 288 new cases of COVID-19 inside the country. Now don't they bring the total of COVID-19 infection to about 44,129. Now NDDC now he make this one notified they verified the Twitter handle for Monday. Now for the 3rd of August 2020, the doctor they don't record another 288 new confirmed cases. We say now only 8 deaths. Now he then record for inside in Nigeria. Till date will be there. Now 44,129 cases now we don't confirm. Where we say 20,663 cases now they don't discharge. So we can go your house so you did negative to COVID-19. While 896 now they don't record for inside the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory. Now the 288 cases now they don't report 15 from Lagos State, 88 from Kwara, 33 from Osun, 27 for FCT, 27 for Osun, 25 for FCT, Enugu na 25, Abia na 20, Kaduna na 17, Plateau na 13, River State na 13, Delta na 10, Gombe na 8, Ogun na 4, Oyo Tatia na 3, Katsina na 1, Bauchi Sefo na 1. According to NCDC, na in the yarn the matter, they go. But the matter we are see for here. Now anytime you say on top of COVID-19 case update the total confirmed case we get to Nigeria now 44,129. Why the discharge case why the discharge now 20,663. Why the death now 896 dirty for inside Obodo Nigeria. If now want see the calculation of all this suspected cases for inside in Nigeria, how the matter, how they go. I beg you make una sharply, make una go inside the Nigerian Tribune. If una want collect the balance, I want sharply go oparum. At the come back in Iroyin Agbedegbeyo is still continue.
òkè téńté là wà lórí tábìlì ọ̀gá lọ́ọ̀kì láwùjọ ẹyẹ ọ̀gá nìkan láwùjọ òkúta ọ̀gá làwà láwùjọ agbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́ ìgbádùn yìí la wà fún má ṣe gbé kúrò fílẹ̀.
Pep TV, Pep TV, Pep TV is the best. Pep TV, Pep TV, Pep TV is the best in town. Programs, education, and entertainment into Pep TV. For sports, security, and businesses, tune into Pep TV. For good programs, education, and entertainment into Pep TV. For sports, security, and businesses, tune into Pep TV. Pep TV, Pep TV. Pep TV is the best. Pep TV, Pep TV, Pep TV is the best in town.
Pep TV.
Pep TV.
Pep TV.
Your number one educational station in Nigeria. Keep your events memorable.
Visit Pep TV today for your general event coverage like symposium, school inter-house sports, end of the year party, religious program, musical shows, and all social events like wedding, naming, housewarming, launching, rallies, and more. For inquiries, call 080 656 14289 or 070 865 33935 or 070 515 35081. Location plot 72 Akorede Layout, Felele Street End, Ibadan. Pep TV, enlightening the myriad populace.
Pep TV. Pep rédíò, ìkànnì rédíò tó wà lórí ayélujára. Ẹ máa gbọ́ wá ìròyìn, ẹ̀fẹ̀, àṣà, kápolówó ọjà kájí ògùgbàjẹ́. Àwa náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ni. Má gbé kó ń bẹ̀. Filẹ̀.
kọ́kìlà wà ní sẹ́yìn àgbàdì lọ́la.
Alright, so country people, welcome back here for where we go. Allow you make una know wetin we na dey sell. Alright, so Iroyin Agbedegbeyo is still dey continue no. Okay, na inside the punch na here I don turn that photo. Now this say Tori na he tell me say na police na don detain one woman on top of waiting on top of say him by her own lover. Now the Lagos State Police Command na don start investigation into the death of one 25-year-old man Awola Sulaimon, wey be say na in lover Precious Okobua. Now he don't stab this 25-year-old man to death for the residence where the Liverpool area of Apapa, Lagos State. Now the State Police Public Relations Officer, the PPRO, Bala Elkana, now he don't matter say, now this is suspect who be say they don't arrest and they don't transfer the case, go meet the State Criminal Investigation and Intelligence Department, which and that for inside the Yaba, Bala Elkana, he matter say now for August 1 for the year 2020, now one Musa Abubakar, we be saying na him be the manager of Island Village where they Liverpool for Papa. Now he come to their station. Now he report on that same day say he receive a phone call that one Precious Okobua. Now he don't stab her own lover Awalu Sulaimon in the neck with a knife. Immediately they just say that he then carry this victim Sulaimon, they carry body go the general hospital where they are. But before they get to the hospital, now this is Sulaimono. Now I don't say bye-bye to this wicked water. Or on top of close observation to the corpse, to the dead body, then say they see mark of violence for a neck. What me say now for person we stab this man with a knife. They talk say they don't transfer the suspect to go SCID Yaba for discreet investigation. We say they don't carry the dead body, go mortuary for autopsy. Now correspondent of news and I don't gather say now this is lovers see we then did their own jejeli as they don't they argue over infidelity issue between the two of them. Say how now they cheat on me. Yes, you know they cheat on me. You they cheat on me. Now this infidelity matter. Now it cause the argument between the two lovers. We say this one is degenerate into fighting. Witness talk say now this is Sulaiman. Now he overpower in girlfriend. Now he don't beat her up. But it be like say this girlfriend is too sharp. As this man they overpower her for the fighting. And so she make sure say her hand he reach where the knife day. Immediately her hand they reach where the knife day. Now he can use a knife. Now he can use stab this 25-year-old lover for necky. The talk say now correspondent of this together say some residents now don't rush to the incident and they took the victim to the hospital. If they don't confirm and say he don't buy. Alright, so inside the Lagos the way the punch tell me say on top of infidelity now he make you one woman where her name be Precious Okubua. Now he just stab her own boyfriend to death over infidelity. If now one carry the balance and make una go inside the punch. Alright, so now inside the Punjia state and that put but inside the Imo state ya don land. Now the police so now you don't arrest the one pastor and one traditional ruler on top of waiting on top of say kidnapping in Ishele for there. Operatives of the anti-kidnapping unit and the special anti-robbery squad of the Imo State Police Command now you don't arrest the one traditional ruler of Obo community with the Awara Oguta local government area of Imo State and also Eze Andrew Okegboa and one pastor we named Bikelebo Agu for alleged kidnapping. Now the state commissioner of police Isaac Akimoyede na he the talk say he don't parade the traditional ruler and they get say now 8 people they don't suspect say then they the gangi of the command headquarters where they inside the Owerri. The talk is that these 2 people that they responsible for the killing of 2 personnel of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency for the state few months ago when the CP the yan matter. The talk is that this is a traditional ruler and he allegedly provide the gang's operational vehicle where this a cleric and be the leader of the gang kidnapping inside the state. When it's still the yan the matter they go now the CP and I disclose it then get about a AK-47 refusal while one belong to the slain NDLEA officer inside the state. Alright, on the matter. Now he tell me say na police na he don't arrest one Imo traditional rulers and one pastor on top of waiting on top of kidnapping. Alright, so on top of COVID-19 palava na I see this story going inside the Nigerian Tribune. Now Bauchi State government na I don't order say make schools make them resume for Thursday for their WAECO. Following the directive from the Federal Ministry of Education on the resumption of the academic activities for the secondary schools, now I make it Bauchi State government now I don't direct all the affected students make them resume for Thursday, will be seen August 60, 2020. Make them use them right the 2020 WAECI. However, NECO and NAPTEC and MBASA now go start immediately with deepest alacrity. The talk say the reason where they think say make it Bauchi State make them resume and make everybody make them reopen schools. So Baba talk say we not stop the education of all these students. That's what we think say make everybody make them return back their school. And what I could say now this now it go take effect for the 6th of August 2020. And talk say for all the schools made them resume, all the students they got to come to school with at least with one washable face mask and make sure say they wash their hands properly. It's like say for the inside the school, make some teachers make them station them permanently, make them use check their own temperature. Say if this girl or this boy the hot too much, make them carry and go back in mama house. What I say for inside the school, then go respect the social distancing rules and regulations in their classroom, hostel and dining halls. What I say then go provide the different kind of thermometers to public schools and private schools. Make them use lab at least they check all their students, including that now in the sea bucket is soap and water for regular washing of hands. Na so the matter be inside the Nigerian Tribune where on top of COVID-19 palava na make it Bauchi State government now it don't resume for Thursday for WAECI inside the state. Alright, so Naya go say my own baba on top Iroyin Agbedegbeyo. But before make I go, make una no forget to say if you follow us for all our social media platforms, for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, now for Pep Radio Ibadan. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, now Pep Radio Ibadan. And if you get the advert placement or now sponsorship for program, I beg you make una carry body green us for 070-8653-3935. Alright, tomorrow we will come your way on top Iroyin Agbedegbeyo. I beg you make una stay safe anywhere where you na day. Alright, so before me can leave, my name na Adedoyinsola Peter City tomorrow. Bye bye.
ọ̀gá nìkan láwùjọ òkúta kìnìún lọ́ba láwùjọ ẹranko ògòǹgò lọ́ba láwùjọ ẹyẹ ọ̀gá ní fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ rédíò nínú kásẹ̀tò kó mú yányán ẹ̀yin onílé iṣẹ́ ńláńlá olókòwò kéréje ẹgbẹ́ polówó ọjà yín wa kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìta warawara o ọlọ́yọ̀ ló ní ẹ̀ máa ń gbọ́ ẹ dákun ẹ dábọ̀ ẹ mọ́ yín kúrò ń bẹ̀ o.
òkè téńté làwà lórí tábìlì ọ̀gá lọ́ọ̀kì láwùjọ ẹyẹ